Hi, welcome back. Mock or test double is impersonating something, for example, a class or method to help us during certain test scenarios. People use the name interchangeably as they like. Mock or test double both actually means the same, almost the same thing. I'm Kumar and welcome to my channel on tech and tutorials. So for our simple calculator application, we have created a test class for showing you how to do mocking. So I've already written a test method in here, test method something mock, and here if you see we are doing a patch for the calculator class in here. So you need to provide the full path of the calculator class, including the module name simple calculator and the folder name calculator, and of course you need to define all the imports in here properly. So once you trying to mock the calculator class, you have to pass the mock class name here in the method test something mock. This is the method, and we're passing the calculator main class is calculator and mock class name is mock class. And then within the method we are instantiating this mock class instance mock class, and we add a return value for the add method. If you see the add method here, it gives us a response of a plus b here, and we are hard coding or mocking the return value for add s22. So whatever may be the case, the add value, the add function or method will always return a value of 22 here. So I'm just printing the add method in here so that you can see what it comes when I run this. And then assert equals instance of add, I'm calling the function method, and the return value. So assert equals this value should be equals to 22, calling the function, and it should be equals to 22. And in the last line I'm trying to show you what is the instance of this mock class. Mock class is an instance of the calculator class. So let me run this test and run one test, and it got passed. You see the value 22 in here. I'm trying to print instance.add method here, 22 here. So I can show you by running it from here as well. And you see here test something mock I ran, and this is a print 22 which I'm getting. I can change it to something like 34, and here again 34 so that it passes. Run it, and it's 34 here. So that's all in this video session. I hope it was helpful to you all. Thank you.